respectable way. They met with us, and last time I have visited the Dhaka chamber, and our government is very keen. Our Deputy Prime Minister has also visited Bangladesh to explore the business, to import things from Bangladesh and to export things to Bangladesh. Like we are like the Bangladesh population is it's a big country, big population. So we want to take some share of the market. Our government is our trade ministry, our commerce ministry, the trade community is keen to do business with the Bangladesh. So we are here again with all delegation. We are here this time in the SAARC Chamber of Commerce and Industry Trade Fair 2025, and I was a speaker over there. I talked like to bilateral trade and all these things. There is a huge opportunity which is untapped. So we need to like explore things. We want like some duty structure issues. In Bangladesh, they have some duties from Pakistani origin goods. So we request the government. Maybe we have write a letter to the Prime Minister, who's the Chief Executive, and maybe we'll meet tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and we can discuss the tariff things with the ministry and the Chief Executive. So we hope that we can, the both countries can benefit from each other, and because some things we can produce, something Bangladesh can produce. So we are importing something, suppose from the Europe. Why not from the Bangladesh?
Particularly, which sector you are seeing the potentiality?
And more specific, what is your expectation regarding the tariff?
Yeah, there is a tariff on rice. It's a $1.6 per kg. So we want, it's the same with the other regional countries, but still our buyers from here, they are saying that your price is not like sufficient. So we request the ministry to reduce this tariff on different items like rice, like edible oil. Like my business is edible oil. I want to export oil, ghee, hair basmati ghee, but still duty structure is very high on the packed product. So we request.
High compared with India, if you compare with India.
Yeah, the Indian tariff is low than us. So we want a level playing field for all of us, and we expect the government and like they are also very much close. Both G2G meetings, B2B meetings are undergoing, and we hope we can get good results. Thank you so much.
Sir, can I interrupt? I think there is no tariff difference irrespective countries. I think Bangladesh didn't import edible oil which are bottled. Bangladesh import the raw soybean, and
yes, yes.
Right, we have a lot of refineries, and
yeah.
they're doing this. Which other product can be potential?
Yeah, we can, as we discussed today, we can do some marble, tile, ceramics. We can export here. It's a huge market of the stones, emerald, and different type of stones. Food and vegetables. Like there is a huge potential because it's a good population here. So we want to explore this market, and hopefully with the support of media, with the support of the government and the people like Mr. Ashraf and Mr. Khusro, like they can support us.
Okay, I have a question.
But Atif bhai, sorry. Okay, sure. The point he raised is valid. If the tariff is same with all the country, but you are saying that India is getting benefit, your tariff is higher than India.
Yeah.
Is it true or?
Yeah, I heard from here, like the tariff, we working in Pakistan. Our pack product is expensive. The landed cost is expensive than the selling price here. So maybe it's some duty for the pack product is high, and the raw material is low. So let me check again, and we can again request the government from both sides to do this favor to us to explore this market, because Bangladesh is also importing. There is the importing raw material. If the duty structure, we can sell the pack product in a good price.
Okay. I have a question that Pakistan is one of the leading country on jute products.
Yes.
As I heard, Pakistan import the raw jute from India, and we, the Bangladeshi, who are the main manufacturer of jute,
And
we export
raw jute
India,
to India.
and same product Pakistan imported through India. If I am not wrong,
You are
then
right.
is there any opportunity or chances to export the jute product directly Pakistan?
Yes, last week there was some exhibition of textile here in Bangladesh, in Dhaka. Our textile industry people came here and have discussed these things, and we hopefully directly import jute, because in textile industry some things we are also very big in textile, but not big than the Bangladesh. So you are exporting in many countries. We are also exporting in West, all West. But the raw materials, some like as you said, jute or some chemicals, we are importing, and Bangladesh is sufficient to sell us. So our last week the meeting was done here with the government officials and the business community here. There was a trade show here the last week. So they discussed a lot. My team from Federation of Pakistan, our senior vice president, all the vice president were part of that visit. So they discussed this jute, and we hopefully import directly from Bangladesh.
I just want to add one thing.
Yes.
Where is the difficulties? Why the Pakistani exporters are not imported raw materials from Bangladesh?
Maybe there is a logistic issue, but they discussed this issue, and that should be resolved.
Thank you very much.
क्या आपको पता है कि पाकिस्तानी dresses for women and girls are very much famous in Bangladesh? Is there any difficulties to export Pakistani dresses to Bangladesh?
No,
Facing-
there is no difficulties. All the famous brands are coming in Bangladesh, and they establish their outlets here, and you guys will get benefit of all the brands. There is no difficulty. Government is very supportive from both sides.
Sir,
Is there a timeline?
I think within 2 months or 3 months.
Oh.
There should be a direct flight also starting Dhaka to Karachi.
That
Sir-
you have said last time also.
Yeah.
Is there any development regarding
Yes,
this?
there is a development regarding your BMAN airline and our CIA. They are collaboration with each other, and I think that I'm saying that for 2 months, maybe it will be done in below that.
Oh, within 2 months?
Yes.
Okay.
So to me, there are three groups of people in Bangladesh.
Yeah.
One who have sympathy for Pakistan,
Yeah.
who want to travel, visit and trade with Pakistan, and one group they don't, and one group are neutral. There is an issue, sir. Your foreign affairs minister visited few days back in Dhaka. There is a voice from the Bangladeshi community that Pakistan have to give an apology for the genocide which was committed in 1971. And this is many of our people think that this is a big barrier to strengthen the relation between Bangladesh and Pakistan. There is बहुत लोग चाहते हैं कि बांग्लादेश और पाकिस्तान का रिलेशन जोरदार हो जाए, but it's a big barrier that Pakistan didn't apologize officially, formally for 1971, do you think it's a legitimate issue, or do you think that बांग्लादेश की लोग की जो चाहत है, जो कामनाएं हैं, ये this right and it need to be resolved?
It's a political issue. The politicians should sit together and discuss these issues. But now, this time in 2025, the things are very much like fast. The AI, the communication is very fast. We need to, like previously, what was done, it was done. But the people emotions are they expect from Pakistan, and I think it's their right. But still, I can say this is a political issue.
सर, आपको नहीं लगता कि अगर ये इशू रिजॉल्व हो जाए तो दोनों
ये हो
देश
जाना चाहिए. मुझे personally I feel that.
Will you pursue this message in your country?
Yes, I will give like your channel also, your media, and the people have some feelings what was done in the past, so we can convince and we can cover this and we can support the people of Bangladesh to resolve that issue, and we should go forward for the trade.
Sir, I previously mentioned you that Hani Ami is visiting Bangladesh, and there is a huge potential in cultural tie also.
Yeah,
Atif Aslam visited several times Dhaka.
Our Rahat Fateh
the Zal band.
Our Rahat Fateh Ali Khan
visited
all
several times. Yes.
Pakistani cricketers are very popular.
Yeah, all our people like celebrities are very famous in Bangladesh.
So here a big chunk of people who want to see that the issue of 71 to resolve, and they think that it will help to make the tie stronger.
Yes, I agree with you, and we can pass this message to our government also, that I visited and there people have these type of reservation. So how to resolve this? So I can do it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
This is a great word our national president has mentioned. We as a brother, we wanted to continue. Who will have a big now?